Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video I will show you how to disable replies to your Instagram stories. Turning off your story replies can help you manage interactions and create a more private experience for your content. So let's get started on how to disable story replies on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Then, in the menu, tap on Story Replies. Under Allow Message Replies, choose Don't Allow Story Replies. And that's how you can disable story replies on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.